ते ऐकण्यासाठी इथे क्लिक करा. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः.
The Shakti Rupini in this shloka is Durga. Navadurga are the different forms of Goddess Durga. This program is focused on empowerment of girls and young women who are the Durgas for the new age, hence Navadurga. This program is the journey of a girl from being aware of their strength to being financially independent. Every girl has the strength of Durga. We are trying to just make them aware of that strength and how they can use it for their own development and for the development of the society around them. The program is inspired by the thoughts of Swami Vivekananda. He says, "There is no chance for the welfare of the world unless the condition of women is improved. It is not possible for a bird to fly with one wing." The main objectives of the program are building confidence of the girl, making her aware of her inner strengths, at the same time being aware of what needs to be improved on, working on the fears which are in our subconscious mind, how to deal with them, and walking ahead in our day-to-day life. Also learning the skills which are required as a student to be successful in life and also to be a strong and at the same time a compassionate human being. And last but not the least, being financially independent but being grounded and humble. Thank you for listening, and also please give your suggestions and inputs in the comment box and support us to reach maximum number of girls.